Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Stay close to anything that makes you glad you are alive. Life changes very quickly in a very positive way if you let it. When fate hands us a lemon, let us try to make lemonade. Ideas without action are worthless. If it matters to you, you will find a way. No great thing is created suddenly. Be not afraid of going slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. I can take it. The tougher it gets, the cooler I get. Thoughts become the experiences you live. If you think you are not cool enough, you will never be cool enough. Wisdom is the daughter of experience. If you really want something, you can figure out how to make it happen. The willing, destiny guides them. The unwilling, destiny drags them. Sometimes one day changes everything. Sometimes years change nothing. Worry never climbed a hill. Worry never paid a bill. Worry never dried a tear. Worry never calmed a fear. Being cool is being your own self, not doing something that someone else is telling you to do. The secret of your success is determined by your daily agenda. It all comes down to what you do today. It is not what you have got, it is what you use that makes a difference in how your life turns out. Govern a family as you would cook a small fish, very gently. The noble-minded are calm and steady. Little people are forever fussing and fretting. A coach is someone who can give correction without causing resentment. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Don't compare yourself with anyone else in the world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Personal beauty is a greater recommendation than any letter of reference. Knowledge is like underwear. It is useful to have it, but not necessary to show it off. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.